sir. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the Millionaire Mac Club. My name is James Hodggreen. I'm the owner of the Millionaire Mac Club. I'm so glad that y'all are joining us. Today we have a great video in store for y'all. Today we're talking about how to make $10,000 a month and become a millionaire. So we're really going to dive into the steps that it takes to get to those milestones. So let's get straight into it. So y'all know the goal of the channel is to show the process from rags to riches, because it's so easy to think that these goals that we're striving for may not be realistic, and but they are. So I really want to grow through the process and go through the process with y'all. So we're talking about the 5 pillars, like the 5 non-negotiables that you have to get to where we want to go. So let's get straight into it. All right, so the first thing, you have to have goals. You have to have goals, because if you don't know what you're striving for, then it's so hard to know that you are where you wanted to go. You see what I'm saying? That's like saying, hey Siri, take me to... Right. It's exactly like that. If you don't have a destination, Siri doesn't know where to take you. So that's the same thing for you. You don't know where you want to go if you don't have your goals. So what I do is I do big goals, like long-term goals, medium goals, and weekly goals, and even daily goals, to be honest. So what you can do is have your big long-term goals, which could be become a millionaire, buy a Tesla, retire your parents. Those are mine. And then your monthly goals could be like, if you're in content creation, I'll just keep using mine, like grow my Facebook group, grow my YouTube channel, like just the tools that I know that I'll need to get me to my long-term goals. Then those are your midterm goals, so you're a little more focused. And then your weekly goals and daily intentions are like the things that you need, like the little pieces of the puzzle that you need that will plug into your medium goals, that will eventually plug into your big goals. So you guys need to take time and write down those goals, figure out where you want to go, because your limits aren't the ceiling. Your limits are your belief system. So really, really believe in yourself and dream big, because you can do anything you put your mind to. I know that sounds cliche, but you really can. And another thing with goals, make sure you write them before bed and first thing when you wake up. So you wake up, attack your day with intention, and you go to bed. That's the last thing you're thinking about. So that's goals for y'all. Next thing, daily structure. You have to have daily structure. Millionaires will, now that they have a little bit of money, like they will maybe go about their day just, let's see what I want to do today. But a lot of them, when they're in the process of getting to where they wanted to go, they know that their greatest commodity is time, because you can get more money, you can get more businesses, you can get more of all of that, but the only thing you can't get back is time. So they're very, very precise with their time. So it's very important that you schedule out your days and you cut out the distractions, the Instagram scrolling, the TikTok, the Netflix binge watching, all of that stuff that's not elevating you. Cut that out. And we'll get a little bit deeper into that in the next point, which is sacrifices. But yes, so really, really know where you're going and schedule your time. All right, so let's talk about sacrifices now. So, you can't expect to go to a place that you've never been before without letting go something that's holding you down. And the thing about sacrifice is, it may be the thing that you hold on to the most tight, the most precious thing to you. It could be a person, it could be a habit, it can be an activity that you're partaking in, So if you really want to achieve that level of greatness, of financial greatness, because that's not the only definition of greatness. If you want to achieve and be that 1% of earners in the world, then you have to sacrifice. You have to sacrifice now so you can get to where you're going. You see what I'm saying? All right, so it correlates with sacrifices. Now let's talk about having a great circle. We've already talked about it in a previous video, but I'll just touch on it a little bit more today. Before we get into it, if you haven't watched that video, go watch that video. It was a pretty good video. I'll leave the link in the description. But so having a great circle is so important because you are who you hang around. If you hang around lazy people or negative thought people or little thinking people, then you're gonna have all those attributes. So you really need to get yourself around some people that are doing things that you want to do, and that are gonna be pushing your limits, and so you're not wasting your time, because like we said, time is the greatest commodity. So it's really important you have a great circle. All right, so the last thing that we need to get into is have a plan. So now that you have those 4 other components that you know you need to become a millionaire, now you need to have a plan. Now you need to structure out what pastimes are you going to cut out? What negative people are you going to cut out? What goals do you need to have? What other sacrifices do you need to make? Whose circle do you need to get into? Who do you need to kick out of your circle? So now really take some time, get a piece of paper and a pen and write it out. Write out your future and start manifesting that, because I really believe y'all can do it, whatever you put your mind to. And even though I'm not there yet, I'm going through the journey with y'all, and I'd love to see you guys, because you guys are an extension of my circle. So I'd love to see y'all win, because when y'all win, I win. Like I said, like, you are who you hang around. So I really want to see y'all succeed. So, hey, I want y'all to leave some content ideas, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell, all that. And in the comments, just let me know what you guys want to see, if this is helpful, if it sucks, all that. I want all that. So please keep coming back. I really love the support. I love growing with y'all, and I can't wait to see y'all get to where you guys want to go. And last thing, like my grandma always says, keep going and keep growing.